Dhun and the little step to his big dreams. Little Dhun saw Mama's book on the table. He loved that book. Every night Mama read from it, with stories and pictures he loved. Today, Dhun wanted to take it himself. He walked closer, looked up, and stretched his tiny hands. Ah, so close, but he couldn't reach. He tried again, this time standing on his toes. Wobble. He sat down. Dhun's eyes filled with tears. I can't, he whispered. The room felt quiet, heavy. Just then, a soft breeze touched his face. The curtains moved gently, and beside him appeared a glowing friend. It was Hanuman, smiling, calm, kind. Hanuman bent down and said softly, Dhun, big things don't happen in one try. You have to keep on trying to achieve your goals in life. Dhun looked up. Hanuman pointed gently. First, stand strong. Dhun stood. Now, take one small step closer. Dhun stepped. Now, try again. Dhun stretched his hands. Still not enough. He looked at Hanuman. Hanuman smiled. One more time. You can do it. Dhun took a deep little breath, stood on his toes, reached higher than before, and he touched the book. Slowly, he pulled it down. Dhun's eyes lit up. I did it! He hugged the book tightly. He turned to show Hanuman, but Hanuman was gone. Only the soft breeze remained, and a warm feeling in his heart. Because that day, Dhun learned something very special. If something feels hard, don't stop. Try again, one small step at a time. Because big dreams start small. To listen to more of mindful stories for your kids, subscribe to Happy Kids channel.